How to create a new password for Fantasy Premier League. First thing first, head over to your application Fantasy Premier League. Enter your login credential, as in your username and your current password, and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Once you are in here, head over to More at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then move into Manage Account at the very top. In this page, head over to Account Security. At the very top, Update Password will be available to you. Click on it. Now, in order to create a new password, the very first thing you want to do is to enter your current password or your old password over here. Once you have entered your old password, create a new password for your account. Your password have to match these criteria over here. Once it is done, tap on Update Password. And there you go, your password has been changed successfully, and it has been created new. Now whenever you are trying to log into your account, you have to enter the new password that you have just created, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can create a new password for Fantasy Premier League. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.